Hey friends, it's time for the very first Rabe Renovation reveal. I'm about to reveal the very first room in my house that's done, and I am so proud of it. It is my downstairs doggy bathroom. It'll be the place I clean up my pups after they've been out maybe in the mud or in the yard. I love the way this turned out. In fact, you wouldn't believe what this space looked like 2.5 years ago when I bought the property. In fact, if you don't believe me, let me show you what it looked like and then show you the finished room. Here's a look at the space in my basement as it looked when I bought the house. There used to be a bathroom here, but I'll have to completely redo the floor plan and the plumbing to properly utilize the entire space. Up first, frame out the new bathroom. Then I've rerouted the plumbing for maximum space in this small bathroom. I've even added a little small bench to the walk-in shower. Now that the drywall's up, it's time to install the prefabricated shower pan and the backer board in the shower surround. I've also added a few hidden treasures under the shower seat, including a picture of me in high school because you never know who might find it in the future. I've sealed the backer board with a waterproofing and crack isolation membrane, and now it's time to tile. To start, I'm using a small charcoal gray hexagon tile for an accent strip to run up through the shower niche. Then I'll be using a 3x12 white tile in a stacked pattern for a more modern look. While the tile sets up in the shower, I'll prime the walls. Next, I'm using a larger scale charcoal gray hexagon tile on the floor to match the accent strip in the shower. Once the floor is set up, it's time to install the beautiful vanity and backsplash. I've also installed a toilet with a soft close lid. I'm telling you, soft close lids are a game changer. Also, the vanity came with brushed nickel hardware, so I removed them, lightly sanded them, and spray painted them a brushed brass to match the other hardware. I also installed a lighted mirror. I love these, and I'll be installing them in every bathroom in my house. Now, for a fun decorative touch, I'm adding wainscoting to the lower half of the walls. And since this is going to be my doggy bathroom, I found some adorable dog wallpaper, and I'll be hanging that on the top half of the walls. Now, just a few finishing touches. And this doggy downstairs bathroom is complete. I am so happy with the way this project turned out. I am in love with my doggy bathroom, and I think my babies will actually enjoy bath time when they're getting rinsed off in their little shower. So Miss Whitney baby, how about we take it for a little spin? You want to get rinsed off, get clean and perfect and a little pretty? I think I'll take that as a yes. Stay tuned for more Rabe Renovation reveals coming soon. Okay, well, we need some privacy, guys. Take a bath then? Okay.